The sound of the universe. Did you know that the universe has its own symphony?
In 2021, researchers detected the elusive sound of gravitational waves, which are ripples in spacetime caused by massive objects like merging black holes. This groundbreaking discovery allows astronomers to hear the universe, opening new possibilities for understanding cosmic events. Gravitational waves were first predicted by Albert Einstein in 1916, but it wasn't until 2015 that the LIGO Observatory made the first direct detection. Now, scientists are using these sounds to study the dynamics of events like supernovae and the collisions of neutron stars, revealing a whole new dimension to our astrophysical understanding.
Share this with your friends and family to spread the knowledge.